Today we're going to be reviewing a self-standing wireless vacuum cleaner. Here's what's in the box. We got manuals, the adapter for the suction, I have a brush, a little brush, charger, screws. Well, it has somewhere to install a rack or something to hang it. I have another adapter. It's a hard to reach places adapter, skinny. We have the main piece. It's really nice. You can see it. Swivels. It's very nice. We have, to hang it, battery, and the start of the show, the vacuum cleaner. That is all. So here's your vacuum. Here's the power button and plus and minus button, so I'm guessing is the power of the suction from low to high. Let's put it together and see how it. You have the 3 suction mode. You have the light, medium, and max suction, and then if it's intelligent, that has an auto suction mode. That one, if you are doing it with any of the 3 or any of the 2, and you come to a place that it has more than the usual, it will pick up automatically. We'll switch it to the highest mode to be able to pick up that dirt on your carpets, on your floor. So that's pretty cool. Powerful suction. It has a 380 watts brushless motor, so it's very powerful. So it should be able to suck any dirt or any debris you have on your carpets, on your floor. It has a 2-hour ultra fast charging. If you know the other brands take 4 to 5 hours to charge the vacuums, this one takes 2 hours to charge fully. It will give you 50 minutes of usage with the 2 hours. So it will take 2 hours to fully charge, and then it will give you 50 minutes to use it. Usage time, so you can use it up to 50 minutes straight. That's pretty good. It has deep rollers. You can see it here. So that helps clean your carpets and your floors deeply, and it will take all that dirt and debris from deep inside your carpets or your floors. Has an adapter for hard to reach places. They're very well made. Has like a little broom that extends. Same with the button. You can go back and look. Now it doesn't have any bristles. Now it does, which is super cool. Other more expensive vacuums don't do that. It has a HEPA filter. Show you how to take it off. It says right there. It says push. You push and pull. Push the button and pull it out. And now it's the filter. Take this off, and then here you pull it back. And now you wash the filter in your sink. Dry it, and then you're ready to go back. So you put it back, same way. It's back here. And then you slide it back. And that's it. You're ready to go. So it tells you the battery, so you can see how much battery you have. And then you're ready to go. So let's take it. Let's see what it could do. So you can see it stands up by itself. Cool thing there has that you can make it shorter for the shorter people and taller for tall people like me. So let's use it. Turn off the lights. You can see with the green light, you can see all the dirt that's on the floor. Easy to see where the dirt is. It drives really nice because of the swivel of the head. You can get into difficult places. You can see and lights up the floor. You can see the dirt or the dust. You can use it on difficult places. It drives pretty good, and definitely recommend it. It's pretty light, doesn't weigh a lot. You can use it as a handheld too. You can just put the little device, the long device, and then just press it and use it as handheld. You don't have to use it just with this. I own another one of these. Is really heavy. It doesn't stand up. This one stands up. It's really light. The battery life is good, super fast charging, so I definitely recommend it. So thank you.